Okay, hello. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use Calendly with the Botpress. Just create a new account. I'll just sign up right here and I'll use this account. I'll just give it access, and yeah. Alright, this is going to be the URL. I will just use this auto-generated one, but you probably want to use something a bit more personal. But yeah, also set your time zone. Now I'll give it access to all of this, which is kind of it needs. The available hours you want to edit to basically be whatever, whenever you are available, and I'll just let it be, and also the days. But yeah, you probably will have to edit this. You can also do it later on. For me, I'm just going to pick other, as I'm still in school, so not really any of these. And what we want to do from here is I'm just gonna keep this 30-minute meeting one, but you can create other types of meetings. But yeah, I'm just gonna press this gear icon, add to website, and we'll just be using this pop-up widget. So it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Pop-up widget settings, this right here, button text, button background color, and button text color, you won't really have to edit it. We're going to delete it anyways. We're not going to use it. So yeah, if you want to have it still, you can include it, but we aren't going to use it for this right now. Also, it looks pretty bad with the Botpress as a standard. They're going on top of each other, the buttons. So yeah, we're not going to use it. We are going to use this. So you can hide the page details and hide cookie banner. I'll just hide this one. The background color, text color, and button and link color you might want to edit to make it fit your style on the website, but yeah. I'm going to, doesn't really matter with that one, I'm going to just copy only this part right here. So yeah, you can also copy the whole thing if you want the button included, but with my JS fiddle up here, we only need this part. If you want to use the whole thing, you can, but if you go back into here, you have to replace it down here in the JavaScript. So probably the whole thing instead of just that. Okay, now right here, if you looked before, if you saw it, let me just create a new. So right here, as you can see, we have this kind of like text JavaScript. This is the button. This is basically just what I have deleted. Now, if you still want the button, you could keep this in like this last part, but we don't really need it. So yeah. Else, you just keep this part right here. As you can see, we have in here. And all you really have to do is just change this end part of the URL. So yeah, we can test this out now. So I'll just do it like this, delete the previous conversation and initialize it. And right here, would you like to book a time with me, meeting with me? We just say yes. And as you can see right here, we can book a meeting. So 30-minute meeting is what we said, and we can book from any of these dates. So I'll set it as this one. I'll use 10:30, and I'll just give my name. Let's see, give it a random email, test, and schedule event. Alright, you are scheduled. We have scheduled a 30-minute meeting with me, and this is the date, and this is the time zone. So yeah, and a calendar invitation has been sent to your email address. Nice. Now, about the bot that had set up everything to handle this, right here, a pretty simple one. You will have to, of course, use it, but the main thing you really have to use is this send custom event. So I'm just asking the user if they would like to book a meeting with me, and the only option they have to say is yes. And if they say yes, we'll send this event, which is just has the conversation ID. And we are just sending this JSON payload, so pop up Calendly and then make it pop up, but it doesn't really matter what you put in here. And then over here, when on event, and if the event is type trigger, we will just Calendly show pop-up widget and then this our URL right here. That is really all you have to know. In Calendly, right here, you can see the schedule events, and as you can see right here, we have a new one from test, and yeah. As you can see, we also had this is a test. I'm just going to cancel this, but yeah, that should be everything you really have to know, including my name, which showed up, but yeah.